So this is us watching Two Guys One Horse for the first time. Not sure what we want to do, but here we go. You ready? Ready?
What are we doing to ourselves? Starring Mr. Hands. Mr. Hands.
Let's get it.
No.
What is that?
No.
Shit, is that a horse?
It's so big!
It's shit! Oh my gosh.
No.
What?
Oh!
Oh shit! No, you can't!
Oh god, this is wrong, man. Oh shit!
Oh my god.
Oh no.
It was over so soon.
Just finish me off. No more.
Hey, did you know?
No more.
The guy.